If you are wondering if we have AI features on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then the answer is yes, we do. And of course, one of the basic AI tools that we have on this phone is Google AI tools such as Gemini and Circle to Search. Besides that, we can also find some OPPO's AI tools, which we can find in settings. If you scroll down, you can find OPPO AI or just AI option over here, and you can find many different things in here like the Mindspace, AI Search, AI Writer, AI Translate, AI Voice Scribe, and AI Camera. Besides that, there is also the AI Service Engine, which I assume is used in order to run all these different AI tools on our phone. Besides that, that is not all. If we go to Photos over here, and if we try to edit any of these photos, then you can also find the AI editor, which contains the recompose option, eraser, AI portrait glow, perfect shot, enhance clarity, unblur, and remove reflections. Also, I believe that if we go to the camera, then in here in the camera settings, we should be able to find the smart suggestions, which I think it can be considered as an AI tool because it provides optimization suggestions in photo and video modes. And since they can provide some suggestions, I assume it is based on some sort of AI that recognizes whatever is going on the camera preview. Not only that, but also the recorder contains a couple of different AI tools. In my case, it has the transcription, but I believe there's also, there we go, the AI clear voice, which might actually be available in your case somewhere over here at the bottom right next to the transcribe. And I believe there should also be the summary option, but maybe because my recording is really short, there is no way to create a summary. But yeah, these are all the major AI tools that we can find on OPPO Reno 15 Pro. Leave a like and subscribe.